In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open Thinkorswim. Let's dive right in and explore the 3 ways you can access Thinkorswim if you already have a Charles Schwab account. We'll start with the web version, move to the desktop, and finish with the mobile app. Each method is straightforward and simple to follow. First up, let's look at how to open Thinkorswim using Charles Schwab's web platform. Begin by opening your web browser and navigating to the Charles Schwab website. Once there, look for the Trade section in the menu. Under Trade, you'll find an option for Thinkorswim Web. You can also directly visit the official Thinkorswim web platform by typing in schwab.com/trading/thinkorswim/web in your browser's address bar. After reaching the Thinkorswim web platform, you'll see a button that says Log in Now. Click on that. Here you'll need to sign in using your Schwab login ID and password. If you've already logged into Charles Schwab earlier, it might log you in automatically. This seamless experience is one of the perks of using the web platform. You should now have access to Thinkorswim's features right through your browser. Now let's move on to the desktop version of Thinkorswim. This is a robust option for those who prefer a full-featured trading experience on their computer. First, sign into your Schwab account. Once you're in, navigate to the Trade section again, and then to Trading Platforms. Here, you can download the Thinkorswim desktop application if you haven't done so already. After downloading, install the application on your computer. Open the Thinkorswim application, and you'll be prompted to enter your Schwab login ID and password. Make sure to complete any 2-factor authentication prompts that appear. This step is crucial for maintaining the security of your account. Once you're logged in, you'll have access to a comprehensive suite of trading tools. Finally, let's explore how to use the Thinkorswim mobile app. This is perfect for those who need to trade on the go. Start by installing the Thinkorswim app from the App Store if you're on an iPhone or from Google Play if you're using an Android device. Once the installation is complete, open the app. Inside the app, you'll be prompted to sign in using your Schwab credentials. Enter your login ID and password, and you're all set. The mobile app is designed to give you a lot of the same great features as the desktop and web versions, but in a more portable format. This flexibility allows you to manage your trades from virtually anywhere. Now, if you encounter any issues logging in, here are a few things to check. First, verify that your Schwab account is enabled for Thinkorswim. Certain account types may require activation before you can use the platform. Also, ensure you're using the correct Schwab login ID and password, especially after the Schwab TD Ameritrade migration. Each of these steps is essential for gaining access to Thinkorswim, and following them carefully can save you time and hassle. Whether you choose the web, desktop, or mobile version, you'll find a wealth of trading tools at your fingertips. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this guide has been helpful. Happy trading, and see you in the next video.